Hey guys, it's Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today I just want to show you what we've done for a particular customer. This particular customer came to us and he had a show bonnet, but it was very, very heavy. It was about 50 odd kilos and he had problems with trying to lift it up and get it in position at the show and not break the windscreen because it's only him and his partner that set up for the show. So he provided us with a pattern. This isn't the actual pattern, but this is what it looked like except it was white. And then we set up for moulding. So what we did was we set up some flanges along here, along the edge, which you can see have come out in the mould. So we stick bits of fiberglass and whatnot just along here so that there's something that can bolt the two moulds together. This is the most accurate way to get a mould to bolt together and locate perfectly. We've got these little locators around the edge and we've got bolt holes where we can bolt the thing together. Then we started laying up one side. So we'll lay it up one side and then we'll flip it over and lay the other side up. You can see this is the inner mould and we've got the outer mould over here. Once we had that made, then we were able to make our two halves and then join them together. One of the challenges we had though was because this piece is all thick, we had to figure out how we were going to join that together satisfactorily that we knew it wasn't going to split on him. So what we ended up doing was we put the split line right up near the top, and when we made this in a skin, rather than try to butt join it together, we glassed a little flange here so that we had something thick that we could glue to the other side. So all in all, the bonnet's turned out really well. We've got fixed points for them. The bonnet weighs 15 odd kilos and the customer's going to be really wrapped because there's no sort of risk of breaking the windscreen at his shows, and it's turned out really well. This is something we can reproduce any sorts of auto parts. Not just that though, you can make moulds of lots of different things. Animals, fish ponds, whatever you can dream of really. Like if we can make it smooth in some way or harden it up if it's soft, we can make a copy of it and then make it in fiberglass. Amazing stuff. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.